How to resize images on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to resize images on Android, what you simply have to do is tap on the gallery option over here. As you tap on gallery, tap on any of the image that you want to resize. Now resize basically can mean that you transfer, you crop it, or you remind its size or rewind its size to its original size. So what you can simply do is tap on this edit button over here at the bottom of the screen, and as you tap on that you can see the option of crop. So tap on crop, and as you tap on crop you can resize this one image over here. You can tap on different modes over here. You can set it according to your preference for this picture. And as you do that, you'll be able to resize the images on Android without any additional software. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.